mami. Ngayong araw. Ngayong araw na to, tatanggapin kita ng buong buo. Tatanggapin kita bilang ikaw. I take you with all my faults, insecurities, attitude, weakness, and strength. I promise to always choose you and every passing day, sa pagising, sa pagtulong, ikaw ang pipiliin at mamahalin ko. I promise to be with you. Yet you think everything is falling apart. I promise that I will try every day to present best of you. I love you.
Wow.